What's the meaning of Alexander's Ragtime Band? Alexander's Ragtime Band. Alexander's Ragtime Band. Alexander's Ragtime Band. Alexander's Ragtime Band. Alexander's Ragtime Band.
Alexander's Ragtime Band is a popular song written by Irving Berlin in 1911. The song's title refers to a fictional band led by Alexander, which played a style of music called ragtime that originated in African American communities and was popular in the early 20th century. The song became a hit and helped to popularize ragtime music across the United States and internationally. Today, Alexander's Ragtime Band is considered a classic and remains an influential piece of music history.